Debate has intensified over proposed legislation aimed at strengthening Nigeria's human rights framework. The Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi, raises concerns during a public hearing organized by the House of Representatives Committee on Human Rights in Abuja. Represented by the Chief State Counsel, Reuben Fagbemi, the minister warns that the proposed human rights Defenders Protection Bill could duplicate existing laws already safeguarding fundamental rights.
And we continue to see the National Human Rights Commission deliver on expectations of human rights organizations and citizens. Its role is so very crucial. We have seen the Commission develop and emerge as an important agency for the defense of human rights in the country, and for a commission that was set up by government, it is so pleasing to see how much the commission continues to do to support the entrenchment and development of human rights.
The two bills under consideration go to the very heart of Nigeria's constitutional and democratic framework. Human rights defenders play a very vital role in any democracy anywhere in the world. By advocating peacefully for rights, accountability, and justice, human rights defenders contribute to social cohesion, they strengthen the rule of law, and they help institutions to serve citizens better. In equal measure, strong, independent national human rights institutions are essential for safeguarding rights, addressing grievances, and building public trust in democracy. This is why, from our perspective as a partner, this legislative commitment is really significant. The UK, through the Foreign, Commonwealth and Development Office, places human rights and democratic governance at the very center of our international engagements and partnerships.
However, civil society organizations insist that new legal safeguards are necessary to protect human rights defenders and strengthen democratic accountability. Program Director of Development Dynamics, Jude Ohanele, said the bill would reinforce protections for vulnerable voices and promote greater transparency in governance.
This hearing is not just a legislative ritual, but a critical part of our constitutional duty. And it is especially crucial today because it focuses on protecting the fundamental rights and dignity of citizens, upholding the rule of law, and promoting good governance. It is fair to note that there are fewer, more important issues to consider at a period like this, when Nigerians frequently face severe threats to their lives and freedom from kidnappers and other violent criminal gangs, domestic abuses, massive displacement, and economic hardship, among others. It is even more critical.
That's why it's a national emergency in our sense in development dynamics, that the country needs to prioritize human rights and anchor all our national activities on that. And that's why I commend the House Committee on Human Rights for the work they have started and ask that they do more. These two legislative efforts are very key to our progress as a people. We need to expedite, and that said, we need to get these legislations to become acts of the National Assembly before August